Hey guys, we received this ECHSRT Insulated lunch bag, can be taken by both men and women. This is a 10-liter reusable lunch tote bag with adjustable shoulder strap. So it's a leak-proof and waterproof lunchbox cooler for work or office. So let's just open this and see how this goes. So this we received to test and try, and then my first impression while looking at it is a very nice fabric and design. You can see that this have a good size here. So it's a zipper and the pockets in the back and the top. And the stitching and everything looks really nice. No issues with those qualities as you can see it here. This is all insulated and leak-proof and waterproof material inside. So you can store all your cool stuff, or the lunch box is a good stuff for the space. And also here is a zipper here for small condiments and things. It also have two options. You can post it on your shoulder, or you can just take the handle by it. So, and you can put any type of stuff in here. So the zippers will for the condiments and other things. So holding and everything is very nice. You can also put in your shoulder strap, so that shoulder strap will be good too. And then you can have your multiple lunch boxes, your fruit or your cold drinks or anything here. So the space wise this is fine, and as you can see, you can just put in different lunch boxes. Still the space is here. You can put your soft drink, cold drink, fruits or ice pack, and then it will keep the things cool or hot, whatever, because it is all insulated. In carrying this is very easy. So in the hand also this looks really good, and then with the shoulder strap there are two options for that, and the zipper is good for keeping small stuff. So the design wise is good, quality wise is good. It's a very nice lunch box, and then material is good too. So very nice lunch box and can be carried in a different way. So in the hand, in the wrist, or also as a shoulder strap. So overall, this is a great lunch box. You can just, or lunch bag, I will say, and then you can just take it anywhere with you as you want.